Well, hello, brave parents, and welcome back to the TECT community, where we share tips and resources to support you on your parenting journey. So today we read Zoe's Day with Dr. J, written by Dr. Letisha Jefferson, illustrated by Bunny Bright. It was a joyful story about a 5-year-old girl named Zoe who went for a checkup and discovered that doctor visits could be fun, friendly, and full of learning. Zoe was a little nervous in the beginning when she went to the doctor, even though she was excited to go, but there were so many things happening. And then when she got ready to take her shot, her doctor gave her the words of encouragement she needed to be brave and to be bold. So families, your children may feel that way too when it's time to go get a checkup. This book is one of the best books that you could read to help prepare your children to go for that exam or for that checkup. So let's talk about a few things you could do to prepare your children for their exam or for their checkup. First of all, read the story. This is one of the best stories, as I said, that you can read to your child. This story tells exactly what's going to happen at the doctor. It lets them know that they will be weighed. They'll have themselves measured to see how tall they've gotten. They're going to listen to their heartbeat. And then also they put the cuff around the arm to check their heart rate, which is the blood pressure machine. So children will know exactly what to expect when they go to the doctor, when they read Zoe's Day with Dr. J. The next thing you could do, parents, is pretend play. Set up a little doctor's office in your home. Purchase some little toys that resemble the toys that were shared or the instruments that were shared in this book. And let your child pretend that they are the doctor and they perform the exam on you. The next thing to do is look at the back of the book and talk about the many instruments that are used during your playtime, during your pretend play. There's a stethoscope and then the otoscope. I'm not a medical doctor, so these are brand new words to me as well. But use these words to help your child discover the tools and instruments that your doctor would use or his or her doctor would use when they go for their visit. The next thing is to talk to them. That communication is the key. Talk to them about being brave and about having that courage. Just as Zoe had to do when she got her shot, when she really felt a little anxious, you could share with your child what to do. And in the story, remember Dr. J told her to breathe. So you teach your child to inhale through the nose and exhale through their mouth. And that will help to relieve some of their anxiety. Then finally, once they go to the doctor and they are brave, and even if they have some scary moments, celebrate their bravery, celebrate their courage. Take them maybe to purchase a toy, maybe to purchase some ice cream. But the most important thing you can do is give them words of affirmation. Let them know you were very brave today. You showed a lot of courage as they were taking your reflexes. So those words of affirmation would continue to resonate with them. And when they go back to the doctor, they will be ready to go and get their checkup. So again, parents, Zoe's Day with Dr. J is a great resource to use to prepare your child for their exam. So pick up your copy. It helps to keep our children encouraged, strong, and also full of curiosity when they do the pretend play. Remember, parents, you're your child's biggest fan. You're your child's first teacher. So do everything to support their learning journey. Thank you for visiting with us today. I hope this parent tip has helped you. And if so, please, again, subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.